Hi everyone, in this quick video, I'm going to show you how to get rid of null values in a filter. So when we've added a filter to year on our line chart in the past, it adds this nasty null, and there was no way to exclude it, easily. So I'm going to show you what to do in order to do that. And it includes something called a set, which we have not worked with. And you can create a set by right-clicking the filter on year in your filters card and clicking create set. You can create a set as well here on the left-hand side. This won't do what we want. I can go to create and set here because this will create a set by day. And because I want to do it by year, I'm going to right-click my year order date in the filters card. So create set, and that is going to give me this option here. What values do I want included in the set? I actually want to exclude nulls, which means all the other years will be included. Once I click OK, we can see that year order date set is down here. And I can look at the members. I can say show members, and we can see there's no null values in there, which is really nice. So I can now drag this onto my filters, and you can see it just made that null disappear, right? So I can either leave it there, or I can get rid of this filter, and then I can right-click this and say show filter, and now I only need one filter on my visual. All right, so that's a really quick and easy way to clean up your visual and make sure you get rid of nulls in your filters.